Hi everyone, here's another update of the building. Yesterday I wasn't able to take a video, so I'm going to take a video today instead. Early morning today. There's Kuya Lito. He started early. He always starts early, which is very good. He's splitting the bamboo, cleaning the bamboo. May buntag kuya! And that's the progress yesterday. They did put, let me see if I remember, trusses, joints. I am not good on remembering the parts of the house. I think that's a Sandayan or in Bisaya. I know in Bisaya, but I am not sure what's that called in English. So I am going up and I'm going to check what's the name of that part. Hopefully it's not slippery. Ay, dangog. It's slippery. Dangog is slippery. I'm gonna go here instead. May gani na pariya. Kasakap ako dari. Yeah. Okay. So, get over here. They did put these floor joints here, installed these floor joints here, and then these joints here also. Here. This is new. And then they put solignum on the wood and the bamboo. And then they also put more joints there. And Kayla to put this bamboo here. That's Kuya Felix. And what else? Oh, I'm going to check the name of that part. This is my is it called rafters, studs and nuggings, or trusses? Ceiling joints. It could be trusses or ceiling joints. I think it's trusses. I don't know. You guys identify it. So there, the trusses or joints. That one, this one, that one, going to the other side. And there's two more there. Or actually there are three. 1, 2, 3. And then this part also. This is for the terrace. And we have new worker. His name is Adam in English. Rumnik went home already because he's going to be babysitting. His wife is going abroad, so he's gonna take care of their baby while his wife is working abroad. So that's why he went home yesterday. And Adan took over his position. He is an assistant to the carpenters. Yeah, I like Romnik. He's hardworking and you don't have to tell him what to do. Yeah, he does things without being told. Oh, there's no more social distancing there. I think they're going to the beach. They're gonna go swimming in the beach. Good for them. So, that's it for the update. More bamboo. You already put sulig naman. Nasulig naman na ko yan ah. Nasulig naman na. Aw, katura. Ah. Ah. Wa pa din na. Bag-o na nimong mga pinikas kuya or ay kato nandito kuya? Ah. Sulignuman din. Asa may sulignuman ni Jordan kato? Ah. Bakay na po kadiha kay aman dire. Bakay. Magtaod na po kadiha kuan koy aw kanara imong kuan. Ah. Uy. Let me see. I'll take you to the second floor. I think it's safe to go up on the steps here. Pwede ra ko mo sa kada ako yan oh, ligon ra na. Hadlok. Hadlok? Hadlok. Ah. Sikit ka pag naog. Huwag ka gulitan. So, I think it's getting nice now. It's getting nice. Yep, so that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. See ya! Oh, I forgot my phone. Here's my phone. I'm going down first, then I'm gonna get my phone. I'll hold here maybe. Don't slide. So I'm gonna take this. Oh yeah. I slipped. Kusang kwaon. There you go. I'm going to get the planer. We're going to plane the wood. Okay ra kada kuya? Okay ra. Napay tubig. Ah, imong gikuan. Yung gatangan.
Sapong kay.
Mapundo. Ha? Agup-up na.
Dalikdik.
Idalikdik na. Dalikdik ko ning kawaya na. So, I'm going to the house to get the planer. See ya. God bless you all. Bye-bye. Hi, Black. Yes, a new friend.